Hello, my name is Laura Escalante Carti, and I would like to be able to share with you the business that I'm starting from my home. It's Dolce Vita Made Home Artisan Cakes and Breads. This time, I would like to talk about the marketing plan that I built for my business. The marketing plan help us a lot to describe the general plan necessary to find customer for your business. This must be created before your business begins. You cannot market your home business without understanding what the market is like, your competition, and what you need to achieve your financial goals. Before writing your marketing strategy, you need to know what your product is like and how it benefits others. In my case, I can describe the following. Product, we offer sweets, cakes, and artisan breads. We work with fresh and high quality ingredients. In our kitchen, we work with hands and not with machines. We are creative and innovate. We love perfection. The place, our products are available for purchase in apps such as Rappi and Pedidos Ya, also from the website. The promotion, we inform our clients about the products we have through advertising on social networks. We hire a good photographer and we get the best packaging so the cake is delivered as a gift. The people, Dolce Vita Pastry Shop was born with the intention of satisfying the pastry tasted of Sector A and B of Lima Metropolitana, as well as those people who are concerned about including healthy foods in their eating habits. Thanks so much.